Hello, family. Welcome back to Electrical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all do more tricky and excited questions together. Thank you for doing that. Now, let's move straight to the question. We have m on 3 or into bracket exponent 6 is equal to 2 exponent 6. So with this, we can express it as m exponent 6 on 3 exponent 6 and is equal to 2 exponent 6. So m exponent 6 is equal to 2 exponent 6 multiplied by 3 exponent 6. So our m exponent 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 to bracket or exponent 6. Now, m exponent 6 is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 exponent 6. So we need to move all the terms to one side and equate it to 0. So we are going to get m exponent 6 minus 6 exponent 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this one we can express as m exponent 2 multiplied by 3 minus 6 exponent 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 0. So we can also express it as m exponent 3 bracket exponent 2 minus 6 exponent 3 bracket exponent 2 is equal to 0. Now we are having a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b bracket a plus b in algebra. So this is our a and this is our b. So we are going to get m cubed minus 6 cubed, okay, bracket multiplied by m cubed plus 6 cubed is equal to 0. Now, we have two cases here. First one, we have m cubed minus 6 cubed is equal to 0. And then m cubed plus 6 cubed is also equal to 0. So we have case 1 and case 2. Now, let's solve the case 1 first. So with this, we have an algebra. We have a exponent 3 minus b exponent 3 is equal to a minus b bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared, like this. So our expression case 1 now becomes m minus 6 into bracket m squared plus m multiplied by 6 plus 6 squared is equal to 0. Okay, so with this, we can get m minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, then we can also let's solve it as case 1. So now case 1, we are having m minus 6 is equal to 0, and then m squared plus 6m plus 36 is equal to 0. So over here, we say that m is equal to 6. And then this one, our a is 1, b is 6, then our c is 36. So m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2. With this, our n is equal to, we have negative 6 plus or minus root of, so negative 6 squared Okay, so it will be 6 squared because this is positive minus 4 times 1 times 36. 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so 1 over m equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of. So we have 36. Then this one, we're going to get minus 4 multiplied by 36 all on 2. So now our m is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of this and this. We can say that 36 out into bracket 1 minus 4 on 2. So now we can also say that m is equal to negative 6 plus or minus this one, square root of 36 is 6. So you say that 6 root of, so 1 minus 3, sorry, 1 minus 4 is negative 3. All over 2. So with this, we can see that m is equal to negative 6 plus or minus 6 square root of 3i on 2. So this is complex for, sorry, this complex solution for case 1. So this one will reject the solution here. Okay, now let's solve for the case 2. The case 2, which was m cube plus 6 cube is equal to 0. This here is our case 2. Now, for case 2, we have, with this, we can get a plus b cube, and it's giving us a plus b into bracket, then a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, like this. So our expression now becomes m plus 6 into bracket m squared minus, so minus, sorry, this 2 is not there, so it will be m multiplied by 6, m multiplied by 6 plus 6 squared, and it's equal to 0. So from here, we have m plus 6 is equal to 0, and then we have m squared minus 6m plus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, negative 6. Then with this, we have m is equal to minus 6. So b is going to be plus 6 plus or minus square root of, we have 36 minus 4 multiplied by 36 all over 2. Okay, I've inserted everything and do the calculation split. So now we are going to get 6 plus or minus square root of, so this one will give us 6 square root of negative 3 on 2, which is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 6 root 3i on 2. So this part 2, we are going to reject because of the complex solution. So this solution is rejected. Now, looking at this, we have n to be 6. And from case 2, we have n to be negative 6. Now let's check to see if our solution is check. We have m on 3 exponents. 6 is equal to 2 exponents. 6. So with this, you can say that when for case 1, when m is 6, we have 6 on 3 into bracket exponent 6 is equal to 2 exponent 6. Now 3 goes into 7, goes into 6 2 times. So we are going to get 2 exponent 6 and is equal to 2 exponent 6. So it means that our m is equal to 6. It is true. Now let's test for case 2. When m is equal to negative 6, so we are going to get negative 6 on 3 the bracket exponent 6 is equal to 2 exponent 6. Now we are having it to be negative 2 in the bracket exponent 6 and equal to 2 exponent 6. Now we have to be very careful with this solution. You know, when the exponent is even, doesn't matter about the integer, is it negative or positive? Negative 2 exponent 6, you are getting 64, okay, which is equal to this. 2 exponent 6 is also 64. So it means that our m can be also negative 6. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more information. Bye bye.